PortaFab Quick Ship offices make adding space to your facility easier than ever. They are easy to design, easy to specify, and easy to install. They come in 30 different sizes, in 2-wall, 3-wall, and 4-wall configurations, and can be outfitted with a number of different options to your specific needs. In this video, we'll explore the anatomy of a Quick Ship office. Each modular office comes with steel floor tracks made from sturdy galvanized steel channels that hold wall panels securely in place. These floor tracks hold our innovative 3-piece corner posts and 4-piece double-layer steel studs that make our modular offices the strongest on the market. Their roll-formed ends reduce tear risks and can be assembled and disassembled quickly and easily. The 2 posts form the core of PortaFab's post and panel modular building system. Quick Ship buildings feature our standard fire and sound wall panels made from 2 sheets of 1/2 inch thick vinyl-faced gypsum, bonded to a polystyrene insulated core. These non-combustible panels are durable, easy to clean, and ideally suited for industrial applications. They are available in either 8-foot or 9-foot heights in gray or white finishes on both sides. Assembly of the walls can be done quickly and easily, while the multi-piece stud construction allows for a non-progressive system that makes future design modifications easy. Pre-glazed windows can be easily integrated into as many panels as desired and feature an aluminum frame with 1/4 inch thick, clear tempered safety glass, measuring 4 feet by 3 feet or 2 feet by 3 feet. The final component of each Quick Ship office is the door. Most offices are outfitted with a 3-foot by 7-foot steel door that integrates seamlessly with the walls and add to the office's structurally sound design. Doors are shipped knocked down for easy installation and adjustment in the field. Once all of the wall panels are in place, they are capped with a sturdy aluminum cornice mold, painted to match the office and provide a smooth, finished appearance. The roof deck, which is constructed of 22 gauge-ribbed steel, lays on top of the cornice mold and finishes off the building envelope while providing support for the ceiling grid. Support beams and angles are available for larger units. Having covered the anatomy of the building envelope, we can now turn our attention to the integration of electrical, data, lighting, and HVAC systems. Quick Ship offices come with wiring posts with accessible raceways to accommodate electrical and data lines with duplex receptacles that can be placed in any wiring stud. An optional modular electric package is also available for those looking for a simple plug-and-play connection. For lighting, offices are outfitted with a number of standard LED light fixtures that are situated in the pre-painted wire-hung metal ceiling grid that also supports the lay-in acoustical ceiling tiles, made from non-combustible white fissured mineral board. To keep your team comfortable, Quick Ship units can also be prefabricated with framed cutouts that accommodate a variety of HVAC systems in several BTU capacities, as well as baseboard heaters. To complete the exterior and give the office a smooth, finished look, offices feature a vinyl base that is easily removable and contains no exposed screws or fasteners. To learn more about PortaFab's Quick Ship offices or get a quote, please call 1-800-325-3781 or visit our website at PortaFab.com to request design assistance or obtain pricing. You can also download our printable Quick Ship guide. Links to this guide are listed in the video description below.